where the deck was. He ripped it all up. Placed a whole bunch of the lumber there on the deck. $177 worth of treated lumber. So far. That's this time. There's some lumber. Still got left. There's 16 foot we're going to put into the framework. There's all the lumber that we've taken off. A lot of that I thought I could save, and a lot of it is no good. Basically this stuff in the stacks is still good. The fire down there burning the rest of the stuff. Some of the lumber was still fairly good, but it had termites and stuff in it. So we went ahead and we've been burning that fire we started yesterday, about noon, a little after noon maybe. Well, I guess it's about 3 or 4 o'clock. I need to come out and add some more wood to that fire and get rid of that stack. Kill some ants. Ants all in the yard. There's a guttering. It's now got end caps and a downspout on it. There's a cat. There's a neighbor's cat. There it is. Here's some stuff that we're in hopes we can still save parts of anyway. There are bits and pieces of the root. There's the stump. And there's where the tree used to be right there. So the tree stump's gone. Fixed the chimney. Caulked the fireplace inside and fixed it. According to what Tim's inspector had said, I fixed the door. Got a lot of junk packed in the garage. What? That tree, they must have killed that tree. Oh, I'll be damned.